Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to hide apps on Xiaomi Mix Flip. Firstly, go into settings. Now tap on the search bar and search up hide. Now go into hidden apps. Select the apps that you like to hide. Let's say it's going to be Amazon Shopping, Compass and Facebook. And now if you would like to access these apps, all you have to do is make this kind of gesture on lock screen. And as you can see right now, I can find Facebook and we're here, and if I make this gesture it's going to appear there. You can also just turn on the app lock. So now if you would like to access these apps, you will have to type in the password. So here, and now I have to type in the password. In my case, just draw the pattern. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.